Hello, once again in this video. So here we are discussing about the cage culture. This is the second part of this video of the cage culture or fish culture in cages. So here in this video we will discuss about fish species, stocking density, feed, fish production, harvesting period, advantages and limitations of the fish culture in cages. So first of all, fish species. Which type of fish species are grown in that particular cage type of fish culture? So there are about 50 species of fresh and marine water fishes cultured in cages. However, there are well-known 6 families of freshwater fishes such as Cyprinidae, Pangasidae, Claridae, Ectaluridae, Chanidae, and Cicelidae cultured in cages. Under brackish and marine fishes, the fish species belonging to Salaminidae, Carangidae, Mugilidae are most common. In India, catfishes like Mistus species, Clarius patracus, Heteropneustos fossilis, mussels, climbing perch, and carps are responding well to cage culture practices. Cage culture in India has been started in Assam, Bihar, and Karnataka states. Then, what is the stocking density for this cage culture? Cages are stocked with 38 to 63 millimeter fishes of the desired species. Some cage owners, however, prefer to stock fingerlings or even early joiners. Fry of desired species obtained from natural sources such as the rivers, canals, and paddy fields with traps and seines and deep nets are also stocked. There is no standard stocking density of fish in cage culture. This is because of various species, cage sizes, mode of installation, water environment, and management. However, the range of stocking density varies from 75 to 300 fry per meter cube of water in some Asiatic countries. In India, the stocking density of carp fry is about 210 individuals per meter square, and for table size fishery, the density of carp fingerling varies from 28 to 49 square meters cube square meter square. 28 to 49 per meter square. For tilapia cage culture, the stocking density ranges from 100 to 200 fingerlings per meter square. For morel cage culture, the stocking density adapted is about 40 fingerlings per meter square. Then about the feed. Feed used in the cage culture depends on the species to be cultured. After 8 to 10 days of acclimatization in the floating cages, fishes are given artificial feed. The common feed given in the cage is the mixture of the rice bran, fish meal, and soybean cake. Next, about the fish production. By this practice, Chinese have proved that yield over 75 kg per meter square per year is produced in reservoirs with 3 to 20 meter depth and over 5 mg dissolved DO in cage sites. While in shallow lakes and channels, the production is much lower. In India, monoculture of carp have resulted 21 kg per meter square of cage area in 243 days of rearing in the cage. It is revealed that each 12.5 meter diameter polar cricket cage with 5 meter deep net has an output of 10 tons of bass and bream every 2 years in Spain. In Spain, 50 to 60 tons of sea bream in 4 cages of 1600 meter cube has been recorded to be produced in 1991. In general, production usually ranges from 3,000 to 25,000 kg per large cage per year depending upon various factors, especially the quality and quantity of feed administered. Next, about the harvesting period. In the cage culture, harvesting usually takes place during March to August, after the culture period ranging from 9 to 12 months depending upon the species culture. Next, about the advantages of fish culture in cages. So there are many advantages of the cage culture. First, possibility of making maximum use of all available water resources. Economic use of water reduces pressure on land resources. Cage culture facilitates combination of several types of culture within one water body. Easiness in the daily observation of the fish production, fish population. Next, easiness in the control of fish reproduction. Easiness in the control of competitive and predators. Next one, reducing in the fish handling, reducing in the fish mortality, easiness in control of parasites, control of the diseases become managed, especially in floating cages. Next one, fish harvesting is easy and flexible. Complete harvesting of the fish production, harvesting of relatively uniform products. Initial investment is relatively small, and storage and transport of live fishes is great facility. Then lastly about the limitation of fish culture in cages. Number one, difficult to apply when the water surface is very rough. Second, need for adequate renewal of water in the cages for elimination of metabolites. Third, need for maintenance of high dissolved oxygen level. Fourth, high quality balanced food is desirable, particularly for proteins, vitamins, and minerals. 5 number, increased susceptibility of fishes to deficit. And last, risk of theft is increased. So these are some limitations of the fish culture in cages. So this is all about the cage culture or fish culture in cages. Thank you.